We're at the 2019 Greater New Orleans HamFest here in Harahan, Louisiana. Let's go take a look inside and see what they got.
DMO form in water factor area.
Call sign N5YCP. He's going to do a demo for you guys.
How you doing? I'm Dave at the New Orleans HamFest, and I have a few homemade electronic gadgets to hopefully give some enthusiasm to the lost art of electronics design. The first thing I have here is a sunspot monitor. And we've all heard of EMPs and how dangerous they are. Well, this meter is so very sensitive that if a truck drives by, it moves. And here's a sensor, which consists of 4,000 turns of copper wire and a piece of rebar. Now, if you watch the meter, as I move it, the meter's pegging, and it's actually going back and forth because I'm pointing to the Earth's north and south. Now, what's really neat about it is I set it down, and watch, I have a very small magnet here. Now, look at the meter, and I'm just going to move the magnet around, and you should see a change. And that's a really neat sensitive meter that would let me know the EMP's coming before it gets here. Right here is a device that lets you hear like a dog. What it does is, oh, here's the inside, here's a pretty part. And I designed that, and what it does is it takes the dogs here above our range. This takes the ultrasonic sound that a dog hears, and it converts it way down to where we can hear it. This right here is a super bionic ear. It's nothing more than a salad bowl from Walmart with 2 microphones and a SpongeBob SquarePants lunchbox from Goodwill. And what this does, I'm going to open it up, show you the magic. These are the amplifiers for the right and left ears, and these are the batteries. But what this does is this amplifies sound 1,000 times. So, and not only that, if I move it back and forth, I can tell which direction the sound's coming from since it has 2 microphones. This is a homemade MRI machine. And this is the most accurate type of compass that's available to science. But instead of spending 20 grand on one, I decided to build one with an Altoids box. This is where all the signal processing happens. And I plug in the headphone. And this is a pill bottle filled with candle wax. And here is 2 water bottles filled with regular tap water. And the way this works is I press this button and it sends an electrical current through this coil, or this one, depending on which one I want to try. And when I turn the current off, the protons that were magnetized by the current pop back to their original state, which is called precessing, and you hear a ding, depending on the strength of the magnetism. And that's what NASA uses, and geologists use it for mapping out magnetic locations.
Awesome. A lot of good stuff, a lot of homemade stuff. And that's Dave, N5YCP. And he's normally can be found on the OZG repeater, is that right?
Yeah, on the OZG and on a 444 repeater.
So if you're out this way, give him a shout and you can talk some tech stuff. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.